Okay, stirring stuff. So I was going to, the question I think I outlined at the start was about the opportunities that were there for law firms, and you've outlined a lot of areas that they could be considering. I'm going to throw a curveball and change the question for you slightly. But if you were setting up a law firm next week, what's the key things that you would put in place? Literally a bullet point list of what do you think are key things that you need, your purpose, website, etc., that type of thing. What do you think?
This might be a longer answer than you may be looking for, but I think that in terms of bullet pointed list, you need presence, right? So first and foremost, you need to be available online. All right. So get yourself a website. All right. That's job number one. And the challenge that I think that a lot of businesses, not just law firms, have is that it's quite simple nowadays to set up a website. It's not simple to be found. And where I think a lot of law firms are probably needing a little bit of support is through like search engine optimization and actually creating content that is useful for the user of their website. But if I can take this maybe one step further, and bear with me here because I'm going to make another comparison to Hamleys, but this is a concept about the way that great leaders kind of market their business, the way that they market their product or service. It's a really simple concept, but it's a thing that I think so many businesses get wrong, right? And this would be my starting point before I even build a website. So the thing that successful businesses do well is they command loyalty, right? So loyalty is a feeling, right? I think we can agree that. And this relates back to what I mentioned earlier about perception of your brand. So if we take the words like why, how, and what, so the idea distinguishes those that probably survive the first 3 years when they start a business, when they start up a firm. And if delivered correctly, I think can encourage not just the people you work with to really buy into the journey, but also your clients and anyone who engages with your business to ensure that customers or clients come back again and again. The question I would be asking right at the beginning, or even if you've had a firm for a while and you're starting to make this transition into being more present online. So I think every law firm knows what they do, the services you offer. Some firms know how they do it. They know how they do what they do. These are things that you think make your law firm stand out from the competition or make you special. Not many, I don't think, some do this well, but not many can clearly state why they do what they do. But why you do what you do, and I suppose by why, what I mean is not that you're there to make a profit, that's a result, or that you have an exit strategy, all right, that's a plan. By why, I mean, what's your actual purpose? What's your cause? What's your belief? Why does your business exist? Why did you get up? Why did you go to work? Why should anyone care about it? So what normally happens is that a lot of businesses market from the outside in, and then you expect a behavior, right? So it'll be a purchase, pay for the service. But what I think inspired leaders are doing now, and there's many out there in Scotland who are doing this with their firms, is it's really regardless of industry or size, is they think and act and communicate from the inside out. So they start with why their business is important. So let's use Hamleys as an example, right? Because I think they're easy for a lot of people to understand because most people know the brand, and you'll hopefully get it. But if Hamleys was like everyone else, marketing communication from them would sound a bit like this. We sell amazing toys. They're made really well, easy to use and fun to play with. Do you want to buy some? Right? That's normal. Let's take De Novo. Here's our new software. We have this feature, that feature. We're better than the competition. And in this way, and we have a better user experience. Choose us. Again, totally normal. And let's take it, your bog standard law firm. We have the best lawyers who went to all the best universities. We win all our cases. Choose us. So I guess really normal behavior. But I think what all the inspiring leaders are doing now, they're just doing it a little bit differently. And this is how Hamleys did it. So they start with why. That was always where our starting point. So they'll say, every time you visit our store, you'll be immersed in a world of fun, magic, and theatre. We believe in bringing out the child in everyone through creating joyful experiences. The way we do this is by making our stores look incredible, allowing children to play with our toys, see how well made they are, how easy they are to use, and how fun they are to play with. We just happen to sell toys too. Do you want to buy some? So that feels totally different, or at least it does to me. You want to join in, not because the toys are better than another retailer down the street, because you believe what I believe. So I think if you get that part right initially, and you spend time really understanding why your business exists and why it's important to the client and why you do what you do, I think you'll win. And I think if you get yourself a really good website that not only showcases your services, but conveys your why, and you get the comms with clients absolutely spot on. And that can be through automating processes and like case management software, client portals, etc. But use the platform as experts in legal matters to educate the consumer, create insightful, helpful content and post it online. Don't sit on it and have all this knowledge and expertise and not tell your clients about it until they come looking. Try and force them to come to you. And that, I think, will not only help give prospective clients peace of mind that you are the right choice, but can also help you be found online. The more content you create, Google's algorithms are looking for content. Your whole brand is an entity online. You need to ensure that you have numerous touch points in order for you to be found. And all you need to know is how to optimize that content properly. And if you don't know how to do that, there are people like the likes of myself, Ali, who can help. If you do this, I think the positive reviews for your firm will actually go through the roof. And I genuinely believe that. And I see all those positive reviews, see all those reviews that come in with clients talking about how good the experience was instructing your firm. That for me is the greatest marketing tool that you ever have.
Stirring stuff. A lot of things covered there. I did say at the start that the Shaping Your Success channel was all about making people think differently, lawyers thinking differently, getting external perspectives on their behaviours, their working practices, their thinking. And you've provided fantastic insight from the marketing perspective and the experience that you've got, Grant. I'm sure there's much to ponder there for our audience as well. This is not just something to think about, it's something to actually do. Thank you so much for taking the time to join me.
No problem. And I think if I could just leave on one note, I would just recommend reach out, speak to the likes of myself, the team at Hey Legal, people who understand this world maybe a little bit more and the challenges, and can talk to you on a really normal level just about how to move the needle. All we're all looking to do is just make the boat go a little bit faster. So whether that's through technology, setting up simple marketing strategies, whatever it is, just there are people out there who can help.
Fantastic. Well, Grant, thank you so much for your time and your insight. We'll look forward to posting this. We'll look forward to hearing the feedback from the Shaping Your Success community of lawyers. And I'm sure plenty of people will be wanting to get in touch with you to try to move the needle for their own firm. So thank you again.
Great. Thanks, Ali.